Welcome to another in our series of 6 webinars which we've called Power Up to help us through these uncertain times. My name's Vicky Holland and this session is about preparing for the future. Our aim is to discuss some of the key issues that our customers have mentioned and provide you with 3 tips in 5 minutes. We have included a couple of questions for you to think about at the end so you can discuss these with your team and your colleagues. Today we're going to talk about supporting yourself during this time by focusing on preparing for the future. At some point we will get over this crisis. Most people are saying things will never be the same, so what can we do to prepare? In our daily chats with people, it seems that there are a few key issues. What might the future ways of working look like? All of this is an unknown at the moment, but no doubt what we are doing now in terms of ways of working will be shaping our future. How do we work in our circle of influence to play a part in that moulding and shaping of the future? What might our work, our clients, our customers want from us when we come out of the other side? We could not have foreseen this situation happening, but what might be the needs and challenges for businesses and customers in the future, and how will that impact what they need from us, whether we are employees or they are our clients and customers? So what can we do to address these issues? First of all, we could conduct our own lessons learned activity. Usually this happens at the end of a project, but you can be doing this now. For example, what has worked for you during this period that you wouldn't have had the opportunity to do in our previous working lives? What has made you more productive? Equally, what have you missed the most about previous working, which you would really like to focus on when we get through to the other side? Make sure you communicate this and show the impact in your conversations with work and with clients. For example, your manager could do a grow coaching session with you on this. What might our employers, clients, customers want from us when we come out of the other side? When the time is right, find out about our lessons learned from your employer or clients and customers. What were their key priorities during this time? What was important to them? What skills gaps became apparent during this crisis? Once you've found this information, then you can identify what to do to close those gaps. And finally, think about how you can be proactive rather than reactive should another crisis occur. So for example, what red tape can be removed within businesses to facilitate proactivity? And as I mentioned right at the start of this, we've got a couple of discussion points for you. First of all, what's made you more productive during this time? What are some of the positive ways of working that you can take forward and use more of in the future? And what's your plan to find out more about your employer, client, customers, etc. future needs? What will they be needing from you, and what can you be doing and working on in the meantime to help address those needs? Thank you for listening to this session. We have other sessions available that you can see on the screen now. We appreciate you taking the time to have a listen to this. Thank you.